So let me share my screen. And if you go to .station organization, you can search for zoo. In that case, you will find the Dependency Monkey zoo. And this is the repository that is this demo about. So if you click on it, you can see we have a new repository where we put configuration files for different inspections. So you probably know our Amun inspection service where we post packages and stacks that should be validated and should be checked for correctness. And here we post configurations that were used to trigger specific inspections. So in Dependency Monkey Zoo, you can find, for example, TensorFlow directory where all the inspections related to TensorFlow live. You can go, for example, to this one, and you can see a brief overview of what this inspection is about. You can also see linked discussion and how the inspection was triggered. So in this case, it was triggered using Dependency Monkey, and you can see all the relevant files that were used. So just an example, you can see pip file. So as stated, this is inspection specific to TensorFlow. In this case, it's specific to TensorFlow in version 2.1.0. If you go to ac.json, that holds Amun context. So into this context, the result software stack is put. So you can see micropipenv that is used for installing the dependencies. You can see also that we used imports, Python script for running things and validating them. You can see the base image that was used and build and run requirements. The other file that was created is Amun or Dependency Monkey report that holds all the information. So, for example, it holds all the information of pipeline units that were used during the resolution, and also all the software stacks that were resolved. So my plugin is slow here, but here you can see all the packages with all the hashes and versions that were resolved during the resolution process, and all the things that were submitted to inspection. Also, inspection IDs that were obtained. Then you can see also environment for which resolver was run. So you can see platform, Python version, and the operating system that was used. Here you can see configuration of pipeline units, so all the boots, steps, strides, and configuration for predictor. So in this case, there was used predictor that computed all the combinations for 6 and URL lib3 libraries. And this particular issue or this particular inspection was used to get information about issues in TensorFlow stack, which led in import errors where different combinations of 6 and URL lib caused issues. And that was so this was the observation that Francesco wrote article about on the developers portal, so you can find it also there. Any questions?
Then just a comment. So the Dependency Monkey Zoo is basically for reproducibility and transparency, right? Because that is really giving all the parameters and all the inputs that we use to create our data sets.
Yes.
Cool. Thanks. Any other questions, comments? Good. Thanks, Frido.